Hello and welcome back to Make Money Online. The expression Metaverse, instituted in the 1992 dystopian novel Avalanche, is turning into another track for internet giants to contend in. The emerging tech is a fusion of the most significant innovations of the 20th and the 21st century, the internet and blockchain technology. The Metaverse, as tech experts mainly refer to it, is utilized to depict the immersive collective space accessed across different platforms. According to the CEO of Tokens.com and executive chairman of Metaverse Group, Andrew Kigwell, the Metaverse is a $1 trillion opportunity that will cut across all facets of computer and internet technology. Thus, since this market offers a massive financial opportunity, Tokens.com pledged to provide its investors with unrestricted access to the explosive upswing promised by this decentralized finance, Web3, NFT, and Metaverse integrated platform. Tokens.com is a publicly listed company, currently trading on the Neo-Canadian exchange as Coin, the Frankfurt Stock Exchange as 76MFF, and the US OTCQB market, also known as the Ventures market, as Smurf. And since the market plays within the Web3 and Metaverse spaces, investors are provided an opportunity to invest in Web3 crypto assets and businesses linked to the Metaverse and NFTs. Need I remind you that as an investor with this platform, you become tied to such luxury wares and fashion brands like Cavalli, Dolce & Gabbana, Elie Saab, Etro, the US-headquartered jewelry and wristwatch retailer Jacob & Company, the American fashion brand with an optimistic perspective towards iconic pop culture and classic American cool trends, Tommy Hilfiger, amongst others. All of which are currently listed among the official lineup for the first ever Metaverse Fashion Week, to be hosted by Tokens.com. As one crypto enthusiast would have it, the Metaverse is the Web3 wave that democratizes buying and building real estate, hosting fashion shows, and monetizing video gaming. But in this context, we're more focused on the first ever Metaverse Fashion Week, to be hosted by a subsidiary of Tokens.com. Tokens.com, formerly CoinHuddle Inc., is a Canada-based blockchain company running on proof of stake, which provides investors with a secure way to gain exposure to the digital assets that power decentralized finance and non-fungible tokens, hence allowing them to garner even more access to staking rewards and investing in cryptocurrencies. By accumulating its digital asset inventory and an earning staking yields program, the company generates revenue for its investors thanks to its avant-garde technology. This publicly traded company that invests in Web3 assets, specifically those associated with the Metaverse, decentralized finance, and non-fungible tokens, is pleased to announce that its subordinate firm, Metaverse Group, recently entered into a lease agreement on DECENTRA to host the long-expected Fashion Week. Following that deal, DECENTRA will develop Metaverse Group's hosting arena on the virtual space, a 116-parcel estate, with embellishments as fashion tents, virtual towers, and runways for the event to be hosted on the premises in the Fashion District. So far, the biggest event of its kind in Metaverse history and the first of its kind throughout the virtual fashion event timeline. And just as affirmed by the group's CEO, the event aims to strengthen the fashion ecosystem in the Metaverse, connecting communities, new designer brands, and NFT projects. This fashion show is to be held on Thursday, March 24th through Sunday, March 27th of 2022. And it's expected to draw some of the biggest brands in the fashion and luxury wear industry, just as it validates the decentralized ability to create a fully functional ecosystem on an open virtual platform. Having such partners like UNXD, the luxury curated crypto marketplace that recently launched the Dolce & Gabbana NFT collection Collezione Genesi, generating approximately $5.65 million in sales, to curate an exclusive fashion show experience featuring avatar models, catwalks, pop-up shops, after-parties, and immersive experiences, it's a next-level innovation in augmented and virtual reality, connecting the digital to the physical world of fashion while maintaining the company's ethos of providing immersive experiences for users. With 2021 being a landmark year, luxury brands like Gucci, Burberry, and Louis Vuitton were delving into the Metaverse through their designer NFTs. Now, Tokens.com, through its Metaverse Group, is taking a step further with Fashion Street and bringing new opportunities for fashion brands to showcase new digital merchandise on the Metaverse. More so, Tokens.com has solidified its presence on the Metaverse through Tokens.com Tower, which is currently under construction in Decentraland's Crypto Valley and will be complete before the end of the first quarter of 2022. The Tokens.com Tower will host future crypto conferences and events on the Metaverse, including ownership of leases and renting out virtual spaces to other companies. And since announcing the Tokens.com Tower, several parties have expressed interest in renting out the spaces. Now, imagine what a market such as Tokens.com, currently pioneers, would look like in the coming years. Andrew Kigwell, the co-founder and former CEO of Hut 8 Mining, one of the largest publicly listed Bitcoin miners in the world, and the current CEO of this group, affirms that this space is going to cut across almost every aspect of consumer technology, ranging from social media, gaming, and fashion. This is where Tokens.com comes into play, as the company's collaboration with DECENTRA validates its thesis of becoming virtual landlords and generating explosive return on investments through the platform's NFT properties. Fashion and music have attracted some of the most significant attention through the Metaverse. But be that as it may, there will always arise the need for a top-tier event planning agency in the emerging virtual space, as we are yet to have one. Through partnerships with this high caliber of brands participating in the first ever Metaverse Fashion Week, the event allows brands to showcase NFTs and virtual products while expanding their consumer reach to newer demographics, just as it places Tokens.com at the forefront of the Metaverse fashion and hosting tier. Hence, increases the potential for the company's stock to grow tremendously. Remember that the Metaverse is an internet-based existence where individuals can work, play games, and interact in a virtual environment. Tech firms continue to implement Metaverse elements such as planning live events like concerts, fashion shows, conferences, pitch competitions, and tournaments into famous games including Animal Crossing, Fortnite, and Roblox, where millions of players can reach from around the globe. Metaverse Fashion Week will be free to attend and doesn't require specialized VR hardware. Additional information about Metaverse Fashion Week can be found on Vogue Business. The link is in the description section below. You can hurry up now and invest in this publicly traded company that offers its shareholders exposure to the fastest and most exciting areas of Web3, including Metaverse real estate ownership. That's it for today, folks. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.